You know how we talk about crude oil being black gold? Well, in the world of agriculture, there is another kind of gold. It is green. It is palm trees. Someone once told me that once a palm tree matures, it is like a loyal friend that keeps giving. And he is right. A single palm tree can keep producing fruits for as much as 30 years. That's a decade of long-term investment without even lifting a finger or doing too much. Beyond supplying the local market with palm oil, palm trees also have byproducts such as biodiesel and even industrial lubricants. So you're not just looking at the local market, you're looking at global markets. Investing in palm trees isn't just farming, it is entering a multi-sector ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or an aspiring investor, this is something that grows with you.